Hello snooker fans, this is me, Willy Schulte-Ebert, EBSA professional snooker coach. I am starting snooker coaching series where I will analyze top 16 snooker players right now. I will explain in detail how their cue actions and overall technique works. All top 16 players are technically different but efficient in their own way. Learn from the best of the best. On the second part of Ronnie O'Sullivan's cue action analysis, you will see how he does pre-shot routine, shot approach and aiming, cue delivery and follow-through, grip position. On the shot approach, he puts his left leg on the stance position and cue on the aiming line first. This process happens when he still stands at the high stance with his head up. Then he lays down and puts his chest and chin on the cue. This simple technique helps him to put his cue, eyes and body at the correct position in most cases. Ronnie has left dominant eye and this is his vision center. Ronnie has a longer follow-through compared to other top professionals. This happens because he drops his elbow slightly on the cue delivery and creates more follow-through, especially on medium and hard-paced shots. In such a way, he creates more cue power and delivers cue on the straight line, which is amazing in such a high-level snooker. No other snooker players can do it as consistent as he does. For other players, it is very difficult task to do that, because it is difficult to hold cue on the straight line in such a way. I would say that this technical aspect is unique about Ronnie and allows him to have huge advantage against other top players and win multiple championships. Thumb points down to the floor. There is no grip gap between his thumb and index finger, which is good because it is one of the most sensitive parts of the hand. This kind of grip position helps him feel the cue better and gives him better control on the cue movement. Grip is very decent, not too tight or too loose. Hand hangs straight to the aiming line, which is in my opinion is the best way how to hold the cue, because it allows him to use less muscle groups to deliver cue on the straight line, compared to other grip positions. He touches the cue with all 5 fingers. On the last backswing, he opens slightly the last 2 fingers, and on delivery he squeezes those fingers back and uses little bit of wrist action on the delivery. Little squeeze on the delivery creates more cue power and speed, especially on power shots. On the next episode, I will analyze 2019 World Snooker Champion Judd Trump. Don't miss it! If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.